Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about factors. What is the topic name now? That is factors. We know that factors means if a number is exactly divisible by another number. Okay, if a number is exactly divisible by another number, then that number is called factor of the number. Is it clear now? A number is exactly divisible by another number, then that number is called factor of the number. For example, see here, factors of 24. Factors of 24. See here, you just write. We know that 124s are 24 and 2 12s are 24 and 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. Okay, now again 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So clearly we can say that these are the factors of 24. What are they? The factors of 24: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Is it clear, students? The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So we can write like this. Now see here, you try to observe, 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the what, Nana? 1 is the factor of every number. For example, you take any number, 253. We know that 1 into 253 is equals to 253. So 1 is the factor of every number. You can write like this. 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, na? And is the smallest factor of all the factors. Anni factors lo kante what is the smallest factor nanu? That is 1 only. And the smallest factor of all the factors. And for example, you just see factors of 24. Ikkada we get like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Out of these all factors of 24, 1 is the smallest factor. Is it clear? 1 is the factor of every number and as well as it is the smallest factor of all the factors. Now every number is a factor of itself. You can write next statement: every number is a factor of itself. Okay, na? Every number is a factor of itself, and greatest of its factors, and is the greatest of its factors. Okay, now you just observe the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. We know that 124 is a 24 and 24 ones are also 24. You take any number, for example 1500. We know that 1 into 1500 is equals to 1500. This is the 1 is the smallest factor, and what is the greatest factor? 1500 only. 1500 into 1 means that is 1500 only. So 1 is the smallest factor, and what we are taking that number, that is the greatest factor of itself. Okay, now every number is a greatest factor of itself. Okay, now you can say that every number is a factor of itself and as well as is the greatest factor of all the factors. Okay, now 24 is a factor of itself, and 24 ones are 24, and 24 is the greatest factor of all the factors of 24. Okay, now every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. What is the statement? Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. You just read the statement and observe the statement clearly. Okay, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Means I just written what are the factors of 24. You get the factors of 24 are, you get like this. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. See here, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. What is the given number actually? Given number is 24. You just observe here 1 to 12, these all factors are less than 24. అంటే given number కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, and 24 again equal to the given number. It is equal to the given number because of 24 is a factor of itself. Okay, now one more statement here. Number of factors of a given number are countable. Number of factors of a given number are countable. Okay students, you take any number. Okay, now you take any number, you just find the factors of a number. The factors are countable అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఎండ్ ఉంటుంది వాటికి. ఓకేనా, నువ్వు కౌంట్ చేస్తే ఏముంటుంది, దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ ఎండ్, ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర స్టాప్ అవుతుంది. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మనం ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే తీసుకుంటామో దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. సో దట్స్ వై ఎండ్ ఉన్నట్టే కదా. సో యూ కెన్ సే దట్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ గివెన్ నెంబర్ ఆర్ countable. For example, see here, factors of 36. Okay, factors of 36, what are they? 1 36 are 36, and 2 18s are 36, and 3 6 are 36, sorry, 3 12s are 36, and 4 9s are 36, and 6 6 are 36. Okay na. Again 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. So we can say that what are the factors of 36, Nana? The factors of 36 are, what are they? These all 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6, 9 12 18 36. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 6 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్. 9 12 18 36. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? సో you can say that these are the factors. So the number of factors of a given number are countable. అంటే ఇవన్నీ కౌంటబుల్లే కదా, ఇక్కడతో ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది కదా. సో దట్స్ వై. ఓకేనా? Now see Nana, common factors. Just now we discussed about factors. Now common factors. Common factors means what, Nana? Common ante for example, what is the common language for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? Telugu language. Yes or no? So like that only common factors ante oka number ni choose cheskoni you just find the factors and you take the another number, then find the factors of that number. ఆ ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్లో సెకండ్ నెంబర్లో ఏదైనా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే అవి మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంటే వాటిని కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటారు. ఎస్, సీ నౌ ఫైండ్ ద కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఫైండ్ ద కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 12 and 18. Okay na? See now its solution. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 directly I am writing 12 clear ga ఏ టేబుల్ లో వస్తుంది అంటే ఏ టేబుల్ లో మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? 1 12s are 12 and 2 6s are 12 and 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors of 12. Yes or no, my dears? 1 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are, 12 1s are. These are the factors of 12. Next factors of 18. Factors of 18. ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 18 వాట్ నానా అంటే అగైన్ మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. 1 18s are 18. నెక్స్ట్ 2 9s are 18 అంటే 2 టేబుల్లో ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 3 6s are 18 అంటే 3 టేబుల్లో కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 3 అనే నెంబర్ తోటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 4 is not a factor of 18. Next 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18. So clearly these are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 18. Now you just see the common factors. Common factors. Common factors of 12 and 18 are, see, how many are there? 1 అనేది మ్యాచ్ అయింది. 2 3 6. సో కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ 1 2 3 6. Is it clear, students? So like this we can find the common factors of any two composite numbers. Okay, thank you.